This is Adi from Norcal Outdoor. I found a clarity here. If you have a clarity, you can see, look, the background, the sky is really nice, right? The blue sky. Here on the Honda Clarity, they put on the trunk, I'm not sure why they put glass in here. So actually people can see it here, what I have inside. They can take a look here. So I don't want people to steal it or break the glass or anything just to grab something they think is valuable inside my trunk. So what I want to do is I want to put this the 5% windows tinting here. This is do it yourself. I got this is only for about $10, 9 something dollar. So you can get this and easily to install. You can, after I will show it to you before and after, but here the before, you can see, right? People can see what I have inside there. So that's not fun, especially if I park somewhere it's not a safe place to park. So I'm going to install it. I will show you how to do it or how I do it. So you can, this is easily to install. Like I said, the instructions also really clear in here. Just need to clean it up and then press the film from inside, then just cut it. So hopefully this work. I'm going to open the trunk, right? Okay, let's open the trunk. So this is the glass. So I'm going to use alcohol here to clean up the windows, the glass, and then after that is maybe use of water. This one is just to make sure there's no grease or anything stick on the windows, on the glass. So I use the towel. Okay, so do the job, then wipe it with the dry side here. So this is dry. This windows tinting come with 2 feet by 6.5 feet. So I gotta measure the size in here. Then I can cut it. So it is easy. Then I put it and then cut the whole thing. So let's measure this. So this is about a 5. Make sure. All the same. And now it's measure the length. Let me put this down. I already cut it here. So this film, they have a what is this, like a clear layer to protect it. So we need to take the clear layer off, just peel it, and we stick it. So to know which one is the layer, you just which one the clear layer, which one is the right yellow to put it, you just take it off from one of the edge, the edge of this, and then peel it. But again, before that, again, to use the water here, I spray it with water. It will stick with the water. And then after I take the clear wire off, also I will put the water on the film itself. So here I already spray the water here. Just want to say to you. I'm using this. I will clean up that area later on. To cut it, I use this the razor blade. This one is already look really good. So I will cut this side. So that's it. Result is not too bad for the first time here because I never done this before, like I'm saying before. But in here, it's look like yeah, it's a little bit in here too. Yeah, a bit placid. But overall, it's not too bad, and it's done the purpose there. So I can, if you see that now, it cannot see anything inside my trunk. It's so dark. So if you want to do it, I think it's just do the same thing. Maybe you can do it better than I did. So, but for the $10 is not too bad at all. And I'm happy I'm doing this because I'm worried if I park anywhere and the people can look inside my trunk. So that's not fun. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe if you have not already. See you on the next video. Thank you.